Fuck you.
He's coming! He's coming! He's coming! He's coming! He knows you're right there, by the way.
The fact that normally this is something that happens.
Bro, Sprint, you keep talking. I'm rubbing my boner against.
Why are you acting sus?
This is not my apartment. Oh my god, that was clean as shit. Oh my! Oh.
Who are you?
I'll pack on it. No! I'm not doing that.
Austin, look up. Look up, Austin.
Yo. Oh!
Why are you leaving me? Wait, where are you going?
Okay,
Look
fuck
up.
you.
What the?
It was out. It was the fucking mango.
Destructive
Holy-
sad hell.
Yeah, and it's not gonna be pretty when you fucking lose. Oh no! Where did you?
Where's this Diddy? Where's this Diddy app drop? The fuck? Who the fuck did that?
Who the fuck did that?
That's what I said.
Are you this
Yeah, we got
barrel?
the radio.
Huh?
I'm actually the thing below you. I'm the. How do you know?
That's it. It's time to get all of these furry girls to like me. It's time.
Mid-air? Oh yeah.
Taxi, taxi, taxi.
Oh, Austin, you remember this?
I'm getting a really good video of you, Carl. You talking.
Look at a cartoon.
You should just diamond armor with a chicken jockey skadoosh.
Oh, I'm fingering my butt right now.
Oh my, this guy's name is Death itself. Boy, that's so tough. He hit me.
Austin!
What are you looking at me like that for? Yeah, you see this?
No.
Here? You see this? Do you see that? I'm not doing anything to you. I'm
Get
just.
the fuck out of here.
You fucking.
Everywhere
I wouldn't
around
say
these
I'm
lamps
just-
are my personal space.
Dude.
Dude.
No. Yep.
Get the
Yep.
fuck away.
Whoa, Junior, let me in. Look to your right.
Yeah.
You crashed my game again.
Me.
Oh.
Oh, this is fucking cool. Wow. Nice one. Game that never gets updated. I'm a fucking loser. I fucking hate you. Okay.
Your dad has a porn game on Steam. I don't want to hear it, Junior. Stop talking.
Fuck you.
I did this one.